Are you ready to transform your business into a high-performing organization? Discover the power of the 8 Pillars system, a proven framework crafted from insights of over 125 clients across 45 states, 5 countries and 20 industries, including banking, healthcare, government, and construction. Built on real-world experience and meticulous research, similar to the Goldman Sachs model, this program provides a strategic approach to building and scaling your business. You'll experience clearly defined goals and defined roles and a singular brand message beginning with the foundational stage. Then to the atmospheric stage that builds a resilient workforce and develops crucial leadership traits. Finally, the actionable stage ensures you master strategic processes and operational excellence within your organization. Across the 13 weeks, you'll develop a tailored model for your business and produce operations manual that allow you to intelligently scale and grow your business. These essential guides are important for new employees and for standardizing your operations. Guided by Dr. McCree, a global expert in change management and talent retention, you'll be equipped to foster a culture and workforce and business that is viable, bankable, and scalable. Join the ranks of other entrepreneurs who have benefited from this powerful approach. Gain the confidence, the clarity, the strategies and structure you need to navigate the challenges of running a successful small business. Scan the QR code to add yourself to our next cohort and let the 8 Pillars system help your business achieve true high performance today.